Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Just got off the machine. Monkey do like shiny. We have some field revision precision adjusters. Perfect for fixing all those unforeseen problems in the field. This is not that, however. Speaking of, we're going to make the knife a left-handed version. I'm going to show you how to do it because setting up the jigs, well, I'm making the 19 millimeter version, 18 millimeter version, and it's hair straight back on that one. And I say we because it's a group effort. We're going to turn this one into the left-handed version. We got the blade frame A part. The upper and lower lock mechanism have chamfers in them. And all we got to do is put those chamfers on the other side in order to make this a left-handed knife. All you got to do is get yourself one of these. An ER, that is an ER Collet 32 holder. About 250 bucks from the usual scumbags. And then you're going to need some pull studs. You put the pull stud in there, and then what you're going to need, well, this one come with the nut. Then what you're going to need is you're going to need ER collets. You need a selection of those because you never know what size. While you're at it, you're going to need a whole bunch of different lengths of these because you never know what exactly is going to fit in which hole and so forth. You get just the right size, and you want to buy these from a reputable vendor. Everybody makes this mistake. You buy them online from Chinesium.com, and you spend couple 3 days trying to figure out why your holes aren't lining up, and it's because the collet is all cattywampus. Doesn't even bear mentioning, frankly, because we've all done it. Then you go up here to your random chamfers, actually. Then you get yourself a nice little carbide chamfer tool. These are but 40 bucks. Collets, well, maybe 40 bucks. Come over here to our iron golem, which conveniently we programmed previous. You turn the giver way down and hit cycle smash. Understandably, your wife may balk at the capital expenditure required to buy machine tools to do your share of driving. So there is a John Henry way to do this. 3 30-second drill bill, colloquially known as a twist drill. And we're just going to go to the depth to where the full diameter of the flute gets engaged. Now it's a little bit fucky on account of it being pre-drilled the other side. So try not to go all the way through. Who's kidding who? It's far from perfect. However, this ain't my first rodeo. I used a drill bit purposefully undersized for the head, so if I went through, it would still catch. We could test fit that, and it's the head of the fastener is a little bit proud. But overall, a lot better than trying to use a right-handed knife. We're ready for assembly. We're going to mirror the right-handed version, and I'm going to add some antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, magic soft annealed copper blade slides, as well as the piton and some Torx fasteners. Put some guide screws in the 4 corners. T5 is what you need to drive these. And what that'll allow us to do is easily stack all the components and not have to line up the holes. It'll line up the holes for us. Now you take the spring from the original kit. It is quite a heavy spring for what it's doing. I err on the side of caution. I want this lock to be ka-chunk positive because I don't want it hurting anybody. But guys are shaving it. You know, that's the thing. You're polishing your sear alone at night in your basement, and you get a negligent discharge. That's on you. There you are, left-handed version. Maybe close that up.